So I'm looking a hot mess, so please excuse me. My scalp is itching like crazy and it smells really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. It is 9:21 at night. Like, I feel like doing this, but I just don't want to wake up in the morning and do it. I am also gonna wash my extensions. I just took them out and put them here. These are extensions by Sundercash Hair and I love them. They have lasted very long, haven't matted, hadn't tangled. So I just want to wash them so they can have that nice bouncy flow to match the rest of my hair. And then as far as shampoo and conditioner, let's see what I have in my little buckets of goodies. I will pull out the stuff that I am going to use to do my hair with. The Aphogee Keratin green tea reconstructorizer. I put that on my hair before I flat iron. This stuff is my absolute fave. It is, you gonna focus for me? Oh, nope. Okay, anyway, it is the Kenra blow dry spray. I got the mini one just because it's more affordable, but I'm definitely gonna get the big one. This you put on your hair before you blow dry, speeds up the blow dry time, and it makes your hair smell so good. I usually use the Olaplex, but today I'm actually gonna use the Pantene. For my leave-in conditioner, which is what I use once I finish conditioning my hair, is the MIZANI 25 Miracle Milk. So these are the 3 products I'm going to put on my hair very lightly. As far as conditioner, I will be using the MIZANI Thermasmooth conditioner. So I think I'm just going to see you guys in the morning. I'm going to just wash my hair and put it in 4 ponytails. If I feel like blow drying tonight, I'll blow dry tonight, but if not, then I will blow dry in the morning and just kind of show you guys how I'm styling my hair. But yeah, so it's the next morning and I just slept with my hair in a bonnet and then a scarf. I'm just going to brush this out and call it a morning. Because I have a little reversion going on, see right in this area, I'm just going to put a little got to be somewhere in here. And just to give my hair like a little nice pretty smell and to help calm down some of the flyaways, I'm going to use the Olaplex. I don't know why I can never get this camera to focus, but the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. So I'll just take a little bit. Just going to run it through. This is my hair for the day and I will see you guys later tonight. We're gonna close this closet door. Okay, so I'm looking a hot mess. I'm not feeling good, so I'm gonna keep on this mask. But I just got in. I picked up a bundle from Jay's Hair. So I'm gonna be getting that installed in my hair on Saturday. I already have some more bundles. They're a little bit shorter. This is a 26-inch. The 26-inch I'm gonna put at the top actually, and I want it to come about right here, and then the rest of my hair, I think it's about a 20-inch or so, that'll be in the back. And I'm just gonna have this blunt cut long hair. Got my inspiration from this Zara model, if I can find it. I'll insert it. She had the side part though. I'm gonna do the center part. This is the texture. It is the Body Wave. Oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. And the reason I always get Body Wave as opposed to just straight hair, even when I want straight hair, it's just because I feel like when you get, or at least when I get straight weave, it's always just so shiny, and then I don't get as much volume as opposed to getting something that has a wavier texture and then just flat ironing it out. I feel like it looks more like my hair, it blends better, and I get a little bit more fullness. So right now I'm actually just gonna wrap my hair. I still have in my clip-ins, and I'm gonna head to bed so I can get some rest, because like I said, I'm not feeling the best right now. So in the morning I'm going to do the exact same thing I did this morning. Just brush it out and add a little oil to the end, the Olaplex bonding oil, and yeah, or I might do like a half up, half down situation or something. I don't know, let's see how I'm feeling tomorrow. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Okay, so it's the next morning, so I just took my hair off the wrap like I said, and I actually just added 2 little front curls with the flat iron, which I shouldn't have done, but I don't know, kind of wanted to frame my face a little bit. But then I put a little bit of the, the Olaplex bonding oil, and then I sprayed my Jo Malone perfume. I sprayed my favorite one, the lime and basil one, into a powder brush, and then just powder brush my hair out so my hair smells like really pretty. I do want to find some more scents for the summer though, so if you have any good ones, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, I'm going to just go to work and then come home tonight and do the same thing I did last night in terms of just wrapping up my hair so I can be ready to go in the morning, because I have work in the morning tomorrow, which is Saturday, and then I'm getting my sewing. So it's the evening time, and I just got the weave that I had in my hair last time, and I went and took out all the little threads and I brushed it out. And now I'm actually about to boil the hair just to refreshen it. I actually have these two sitting aside. Once she braids my hair tomorrow, I'm going to have her oil my scalp, and then the other one I'm actually going to give to my mom because she really wants to try the Camille Rose hair growth serum to see if it helps her with growing out her hair. I've been raving about this product, so it's an amazing product if you're trying to grow out your hair. And please excuse my little messy table. Had the water over here boiling, so I usually would put conditioner in here, but I'm just gonna throw it. So this has been on here for about 7-8 minutes now, and every 2 or 3 minutes I just go ahead and mix it up. And I'm sure a couple of you guys are like, why are you boiling your hair? Why didn't you just wash it? Boiling it takes it to a whole nother level. It's like getting a fresh new bundle by what boiling the hair does. Number one, it cleans it, especially if you have chemicals and stuff all in the hair. It kind of helps to get rid of it. It helps to make it shinier, but not shiny like synthetic hair, but just gives it that nice natural shine, and it gives it a lot of body. See how dirty the water is to get all that grossness off. And I already wrapped my hair for tomorrow, so again I'm just going to brush out in the morning, go to work, and then run over to get my sewing. So I'm gonna head to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's Saturday morning and I just put my hair half up, half down. I'm on my way to work, and then straight after that I'm gonna go ahead and go over to get my hair done. I'm super excited. And as far as the weave, I have it in here. It's still drying a little bit. Make sure that if you do end up boiling your weave, you put a little conditioner in there because it'll make the smell so much better. The smell for the hair, with me not putting any conditioner in it, just kind of, I don't know, didn't have this fresh, light smell that I'm used to. So I ended up just quickly washing the hair with some Pantene shampoo. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys a little. All right, so it is actually a few days later, but this is the sew-in, and I am obsessed as always every time I get a sew-in because it gives me a break from my hair. And especially with modeling, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but they have been very brutal with that flat iron to my hair, so this really gives me a break from the heat. The length ended up being a little bit shorter than what I wanted, and it's kind of like a little bit of a longer bob, but it is okay. The next time I get this hair in, I'm definitely gonna get it super long. But yeah, this pretty much looks like my hair. But yeah, I'm going to end the week in my hair here. I would actually like to hear some of you guys' things that you do throughout the weeks, some of the techniques that you use or styles that you do or products that you use, because I would love to incorporate some new things into my routine. And make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And until the next video, ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.